Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavens on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by the son of Koso.
This game was very critical. It came very critical kakhulu. I think that's why singababonanga ama-player abafana nabo Mfundo Vilakazi ba introduce egame. Singabonanga ama-player afana nabo Ethan Treslett babafaka egame. I-campaign nzima lena. That's why singambonanga uMfukeng the whole game. Bengasimdlalo wabantwana lona. And I think ngene kule midfield ye Chiefs. Wow, angithanda ukubona abocoach kakhulu ngokufaka uMabuwe, uMthethwa noNdlovu. Those guys penetrated the midfield. Pirates, like the game was dominated by Kaizer Chiefs. And I also like to compliment the centre back pairing at Kaizer Chiefs. Umsimang no Eden Makati. Wow, what a performance. Azalila machita kakhulu. They've worked very hard. I think manje uMiguel sesingambeke benchini. I don't see reason yokuthi simbuyisele groundini namachita kanje. And the message to Hugo Bruce, I think it's about time. Athathu Peterson amise World Cup. Peterson deserves to play the World Cup. World Cup Peterson is a World Cup material.
Yeah, he is.
Yes. And ngifuna ukuncoma iPirates. Pirates this season isibuke seyibhola too much. This season masikhuluma iqiniso iPirates silibukela ibhola. They've been constant throughout the season. It's just unfortunate ukuthi bazoyiluza futhi nale league le. But bona hayi ibhola silibukile badlalile kahle kakhulu. And like to ama-coach Chiefs uKhalil Belil Yusufu no Cedric Ekaza. I want to compliment them for the approach of the game. The game by approach kahle kakhulu even though si lose sekophela game. Athi nalesi thatha ezilose. Last game in size for maximum point. Asijabulanga ngale draw na but ama boys gave it all. Asijabule kakhulu.
Njayami ngicela ukukushayela izandla for ukwazi ibhola. Ukudlula ubaba. Bengifuna ukuthi Ntwana ngiyabonga ukwazi English ungidlula uGosogoso akakaza abeke negama eliwani lesingisi nkosami